Well, this year we bring our comprehensive solution in wireless and IoT testing to help customers ensure regulatory compliance, improve performances in connectivity and compatibility. Now we can carry out 5G testing in our own laboratories in Shenzhen and Xi'an. In both import and export scenarios, we can help buyers and sellers ensure their product meet the regulatory requirements of destination market, therefore providing better control over the trade risk and improve speed to market. HS's business purpose is to enable a better, safer, and more interconnected world. So we have a high level of confidence in our Chinese market future.